Hi, welcome back to Art by Brooke. It's been quite a while since I've done any videos and I really miss it. I feel very guilty for not having made any content, but there's been a lot going on in my life and I'm trying to give myself a little bit of leeway here. So to jump back in, I actually am using one of my favorite colors, which is phthalo blue and also fluorescent blue, DecoArt Dazzling Metallics White Pearl, and rose pink. These colors together always make me really happy, and I find that a really good way to get back into art when I haven't done it in a while and I'm feeling really guilty about it and maybe a little bit stuck in that artist block feeling is to reach for art supplies that I really love, kind of those comfort items, because then I kind of just jump right back in where I left off. I feel very at home with those supplies. So if you ever find yourself struggling with that, I really encourage you to just reach for something comfortable and familiar and colors that make you happy. I feel like I really miss flip cups, and because one of these colors is metallic, I think this might lend itself pretty well to that. So let's get right into it. All right, I see lots of cells forming, so that's a very good sign. So I'm going to go ahead, flip this over, let it sit for a little while, and then pull it off the canvas. This actually looks really cool. There was kind of this chartreuse neon yellow in the cup dried from a previous pour, and that with the phthalo blue looks so gorgeous. I may have to try that in the future. Okay, I'm going to use my torch on this and see if we can bring out even more cells. Awesome, that is looking so cool. I hope I have enough paint here to spread it around, but if I don't, I can always add some to the edges. Look at the inside of this cup. That is so gorgeous. So I knew I would like the colors together, but I had no idea that it would look like this. I love this. I really like that pearl paint. I don't think I've used it very much, and I definitely think I'm going to be doing that more. Because there's no silicone in here, I only use Floetrol, and I added a little bit of water to the pink. But other than that, it's just Floetrol, water, and paint. You are more likely to be able to get cells from metallic colors, but still, it's not always this easy. I really love this. I'm going to hit it with my torch again and then let it sit for a few minutes, and then we'll take a closer look. Okay, so I let this sit for about 20 minutes, so let's take a closer look. It hasn't really changed that much since we stopped. But oh my gosh, I love the cells in this. So cool, and I always say this, but I cannot wait to see it dry because the metallic is going to really shine through. I think the blues are going to get darker, which is so cool. And I think it's really fun that there's just a little bit of pink in here, but these cells are so cool. I love all of the texture in here. This is neat right here. This looks kind of like an animal skull almost. Kind of like the eye socket and the, I don't know, front teeth or something like that. That's pretty cool. I can't tell if I think it reminds me a little bit of space or water or, I don't know, something else. What about you? What do you see when you look at this? Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to hit the bell so you get notifications every time I do post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.